Hello student, in this video we will do our lesson noses and do some questions. In this video, first of all we have to learn about punctuation. Did you know about punctuation? In every sentences when you read lesson you found some punctuation marks. First of all we have to know the definition of punctuation. Punctuation are a helping aid in understanding and the correct reading, both silently and aloud, of written and printed text. Means when you are going to reading any concept, you found some marks given on the passage. Here we will do some more punctuation marks. So there are a number of punctuation marks in English language, but we have discussed the most common ones. In this video, we will do some punctuation marks. First is full stop. The full stop is used to mark the end of a sentence. It represents the greatest pause. For example, Rohan, Vinay and Ajay are best friends. And you can see this sentence, you found punctuation marks on the last sentence completion. So we have to put full stop in this sentence. Next is comma. The comma is used to indicate a short pause. It is used where it is used for words, phrases and clauses in a series. For example, Gandhiji, the father of the nation, died on 30th January 1948. So where we will put our punctuation mark, that is Gandhiji, where when we given the pause. So Gandhiji, the father of nation, and the died on 30th January, we have to give there is also pause. And so these three places we have put comma. So this is the second punctuation mark. Next is colon. So where we have to use colon? The colon is used to show that something is to follow, means anything is given on the about sentence. For example, the principal part of a verb in English are the present tense, the past tense and the past participle. So here we are using colon mark because we have to give which parts of a verb English we are using. Next is exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used after interjections and after phrases and sentences expressing sudden emotion or wish. For example, alas, oh dear. So here we will found our next punctuation mark. So students, do these punctuation marks in your notebook. Next video we will do some more punctuation marks. Thank you class.